Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making baklava apple pies.
You're going to need 4 apples, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, apple preparation. Peel the apples, cut them into slices, and then use a small knife to remove the seeds. Cut each slice into pieces about ½ inch in size. Heat a pan and add the butter to melt. Add the chopped apples to the pan and gently stir. Add brown sugar add cinnamon. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally every 2 minutes. Finally, add the cornstarch. Mix well. And remove from heat. Ingredients for the pastry sheets: 200 grams of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 6 teaspoons of sugar, 150 grams of butter, 12 sheets of phyllo dough, finely chop or crush the walnuts, but do not grind them in a machine as they will become too fine. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix well. Take 2 sheets of phyllo dough and brush them with melted butter. Making sure they are completely coated. Sprinkle sugar over both sheets. Then fold each sheet in half. Brush the first sheet with butter again. Turn the second sheet sideways and lay it on top of the first sheet. Brush a 6-hole muffin tin with butter or oil. Then carefully shape the phyllo sheets into the mold. In each shell, add about a tablespoon of walnuts, then add 1/6 of the prepared apples, about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons. And top with another tablespoon of walnuts. Carefully fold the edges of the phyllo inward, gently pressing to seal. Repeat the process until all the ingredients are used. Preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Served with ice cream and caramel sauce as an option. Enjoy.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.